I fully agree with what you have just said. Your remarks reflected the true spirit of our bilateral relations. Excellency, we are meeting at an important juncture in our national histories and history of our bilateral relations. Pakistan and China have completed 70 years of ironclad friendship on 21st May 2021. China has realized the goal of eradicating extreme poverty. Moreover, the Communist Party of China will celebrate the 100th anniversary of its founding this year in July. Congratulate the people of two countries, Communist Party of China, General Secretary Xi Jinping, and Your Excellency for these momentous
accomplishments.
पाक चीन रूलिंग पार्टी सेशन वजीर खारजा इस वक्त खिताब कर रहे हैं.
With joint efforts of successive generations and leaderships of two countries, China-Pakistan friendship has gone from strength to strength with each passing day. Our relationship is based on mutual trust, understanding, and commonality of interests. This relationship is deeply rooted in the hearts of peoples of two countries and has withstood tests of time. One priority for our PTI government. We are fully committed to complete ongoing CPEC projects and make CPEC a high-quality demonstration project of BRI. We look forward to further enhance development and construction of CPEC in its second phase with more focus on industrialization, poverty alleviation, job creation, and socio-economic development. During COVID-19 pandemic, our cooperation remained exemplary. We supported each other within our capacities to effectively control the pandemic. In this regard, I will congratulate people's war against the pandemic and remarkable economic recovery, and thank Chinese leadership for consistent support to Pakistan in our fight against the pandemic. After 7 decades of our relationship has transformed into an all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. We should forge our energies and visions to jointly build closer China-Pakistan community of shared future in the new era. Excellency, party-to-party relations are an important facet of our bilateral cooperation. Communist Party of China and Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf enjoy cordial relationship and mutual exchanges. As Chairman PTI and Prime Minister Imran Khan says, China's remarkable achievements in all around national development are a role model for all developing countries. The elimination of extreme poverty in China and recent landing of China's spacecraft on Mars are testimony to this fact. We look forward to further deepen party-to-party cooperation between PTI and the Communist Party of China, learn from each other, and share vital experiences on governance, party building, and party organization. In this regard, the proposed MOU, which we will enhance cooperation between our two political parties. Excellency, the Communist Party of China's vision of realizing great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation and PTI's vision of building Naya Pakistan, a new Pakistan, are the common aspirations of the people of the two countries. We stand ready to enhance cooperation between our two countries and two political parties for realization of our respective dreams. I look forward to meet you, Your Excellency, in future and have more interactions and exchanges between our two political parties. Long live China-Pakistan friendship. Long live PTI, Communist Party Cooperation. I thank you.
रहे थे। अहम खबर